Hi children, good morning. In previous episodes, we have discussed about the numbers from 21 to 100. That is how to write the numbers from 21 to 100 and how to compare the two-digit numbers and how to write the ascending order and descending order of the two-digit numbers. And also, we have learned how to represent the two-digit numbers on abacus and also how to write the numbers from the given abacus. So these are the topics we have learned in the previous episodes. So now in this episode we are going to learn about the next chapter, that is addition and subtraction. So ready and steady. So add by counting forward using your fingers. So first one is 30 plus 6. So children, so here we have to add these numbers. So there are 4 problems are given. So we have to add these two numbers by using our fingers. Children, see the first problem here, 13 plus 6. So now we have to add these two numbers by counting forward using your fingers. So look and see how to add these two numbers. So here see the first number. What is the first number here? 13. And what is the second number? 6. So what is the second number here? 6. So open 6 fingers of your hand. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the 6 fingers and start counting from the first number. So what is the first number here? The first number is 13. So after 13, 14. So start counting from 14. So that is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So the answer is 19. So write 19 in this box. So children, in this way, see the second problem here. So here we have to add the two numbers, that is 12 plus 2. So 12 plus 2. So children, what is the second number here? The second number is 2. So open 2 fingers of your hand and count forward from the first number. So first open 2 fingers of your hand, that is 1, 2. So children, these are the 2 fingers and start counting forward from the first number. So what is the first number here? So 12 is the first number. So start counting forward from the 12. So after 12, we get 13. So start counting from 13. That is 13 and 14. So write 14 in this box. So children, see the third problem here. So here we have to add 15 plus 1. So already you have learned about some additional facts. What are the additional facts? If you add 1 to any number, we will get its after number. So what is the after number for 15? So 15 after, we will get 16. So very good. So write 16 in this box. So children, to see the last problem, that is fourth problem. So what is the fourth problem here? So there are 1-digit numbers are given. So what is the first number? 7. And what is the second number? 9. So what is the second number here? 9. So open 9 fingers of your hand and start counting forward from the first number. So first open 9 fingers of your hand. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So children, these are the 9 fingers. Now start counting forward from the first number. What is the first number here? So 7 is the first number. After 7, we will get 8. So start counting from 8. Is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So answer is 16. So write 16 here. So this is ready and steady. So see the next part in this ready and steady part. So children, see the next section is the ready and steady. So that is subtract by counting backward using your fingers. So in addition, we have counted forward from the first number. So whereas in the subtraction of two numbers, so we have to count backward using our fingers. So here also 4 problems are given. So the 4 problems are subtractions. Here what is this sign represents? So this sign is minus and minus represents subtraction. So now we have to subtract these two numbers. So what is the first number here? 15. And what is the second number here? 5. Now we have to subtract 5 from 15 by counting backward from the first number up to 5. So start counting backward starting from the first number up to we get the number 5. So children, do you understand how to count backward? So count backward from the first number. What is the first number here? 15. So start counting backward from 15 till we get 5. So let us open each finger for each number. So before 15, what we will get, children? Before 15, we will get 14. So start counting backward from 14. That is 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So children, total how many fingers are there? So total how many fingers? So 10 fingers. So the answer is 10. So write 10 here. So children, do you understand how to count backward? So in the subtraction, we will count backwards. In the addition, we will count forward. So let us see the second problem. Then you will get a better understanding. So what is the first number in the subtraction? So 17 is the first number. And what is the second number here? 6. So now we have to count backward from the first number. What is the first number here? 17. So start counting backward from the 17 till we get to 6. And open each finger for each number. So start counting backward from the 17. So what is the before number for 17? 16. So start 16. So start from 16 and open each finger for every number till we get 6. So start counting from 16. That is 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 and 6. So children, so there are total how many fingers? So total 11 fingers we have counted. How many fingers? 11 fingers we have counted. So write 11 in this box. So the answer is 11. So children, do you understood how to count backward? So we have to count backward starting from the first number till we get the second number. So let us see the next one here. So what is the first number here? 14. And what is the second number? 3. Now we have to subtract the 3 from 14 by counting backward from the first number till we get the second number. What is the first number here? 14. So start counting backward from 14 till we get 3. So start counting from backward from 14. So what is the before number 14? 13. So start counting from 13 and open each finger for every number and start counting backward till we get the first number 3. So start counting backward. So the before number is 13. So start counting from 13. So that is 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So children, total how many fingers become? So total I have counted 11 fingers. So if you don't understand, just draw lines in your rough work or in your notebook, then you will get better understanding because we have only 10 fingers and it is become difficult to count 11 fingers. So the answer is 11. So write 11 here. So understood children? So if you feel become difficulty while counting with the fingers, then you can draw also just lines. Then it will become easy for you to count the lines. And children, see the last subtraction. So what is the first number in the last subtraction? So the first number is 18. And what is the second number here? 9. Now we have to subtract 9 from 18. So in the same way as we have continued in the 3 problems, so we have to start count backward from the first number. What is the first number here? 18. So what is the before number for 18? 17. So start counting backward starting from 17 till we get the number 9. So open each finger for every number. So let us start counting backward. So what is the before number for 18? 17. So start counting from 17. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So children, how many fingers total? So total 9 fingers. So the answer is 9. So write 9 in this box. So children, so these are the some subtractions we have already practiced in the previous class. So let us go to the next section, that is add on the number line. So children, you have already practiced these additions on the number line in your previous class, that is already you have in the first chapter also. So let us see once again how to add the numbers on the number line. So what is the problem given here, children? So 3 plus 8. Now we have to add these two numbers on the number line and write the answer in this box. So children, this is called a number line. So what is the number line? It is a straight line, and if you mark the numbers starting from 0 on this line at equal gaps, then this is called a number line. So now start addition on the number line. How to add the numbers on the number line? So what is the first number in the addition? 3. So now we have to start from 3 on the number line. So children, remember, we have to start from the first number in the given addition. What is the first number in the given addition? 3. So start from 3 on the number line. There is 3 on the number line. So here is 3 on the number line. Now we have to move forward some steps. How many steps we have to move forward? So we have to move the steps equal to the second number in the addition. What is the second number in the addition? 8. So that means you have to move 8 steps forward starting from 3 on the number line. Then the number where you have reached finally on the number line is called the answer. So children, do you understood? So start from 3 first. The first step is start from 3 on the number line. So this is the number 3. And move 8 steps forward on this number line. Because the second number is 8, the second number represents the number of steps you have to move forward on the number line. So that is, you have to move 8 steps forward starting from 3. So let us see how to move the steps. So here is the 3. So starting from 3, you have to move 8 steps forward. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Children, finally where you have reached? You have reached finally the number 11. That means the number finally you have reached represents the answer. So here 11 is the answer. So write 11 in this box. So children, so observe the screen, then you can understand how to move the steps. So you have to start from 3 first. So from 0 to 3. So start from 3 and move 8 steps forward starting from 3. So this is step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7 and step 8. And after finally you have reached the number 11. So this 11 is the answer. So this is the addition of numbers on the number line. So let us see another problem. The next one. So children, so here subtract on the number line. So this is the subtraction you have to done on the number line. In the previous problem you have done addition on the number line. So in this problem you have to do subtraction on the number line. So what is the problem given here? 15 minus 9. That is, you have to subtract 9 from 15 on the number line and write the answer in this box. So in the same way as addition, so what is the first number here? 15. So start from 15 on the number line. And what is the second number here? 9. So you have to move backward. So subtraction means you have to move backward. Addition means you have to move forward. So subtraction means you have to move backward. How many steps you have to move backward? So what is the second number here? 9. That's why you have to move 9 steps backward starting from the number 15. And finally the number you have reached represents the answer. So let us see how to do the addition on the number line. So first we have to start from 15. Where is the 15 on the number line? So children, observe carefully. So here is the number 50. So start from here and move backward. How many steps? 9 steps. So moving backward. So this is step 1 and step 2, step 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So children, so these are the 9 steps we have moved backward and finally reached the number 6 on the number line. So the answer is 6. So write 6 in this box. So children, see the screen. So total we have moved 9 steps backward and finally we have reached the number 6. So that is step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So after moving 9 steps backward, we have finally reached the number 6. This number 6 is the answer. So remember children, addition means we have to move forward. Subtraction means we have to move backward on the number line. So these are